So when it comes to painting, the biggest problem with Seadoo Jet Skis in Europe now is because of legislations, you're only allowed to use water-based paints. And I have used them in the past, and it's not as easy as it looks. And most of the times, the paint coats don't really match the color of the ski. So the blending area becomes really big, or you end painting the whole lot in the new color that you have. Sometimes that is achievable, sometimes that is not achievable because of the budget and other facts that come into play. If the color is not a big issue for the customer, specifically when we paint like a hull, what I do, or what we tend to do now, is use some of this stuff, which is my old friend Raptor paint. This one is tintable, so you can tint it to any color that you can get. Obviously not water-based. It has to be a solid color. I haven't tried with any other than solid colors, no metallics. I haven't used it, but I'm gonna try that, so I will come back with that later. But yeah, if you want to paint a hull, what I do is I thin down to 20%, because the problem with this paint is you get a lot of texture. It's a textured color, so you get that like a bumpy feeling that you get on the back of the trucks, on the bed of the truck. So I thin it down to 20%, and I get a nice smoother surface, and has proved to be a really hard wearing paint where you compromise a little bit on the color, but it's really tough. If you have a jet ski that you used to beach it down a lot, or you leave it down on the slipway, you know, with the tide in and out, this is the product to have. It's really nice, friendly to use. You can even roll it if you don't have a spray gun. So anybody can do it if you really want it. I will recommend highly this product. I use it a lot, and I will have another video showing how to put this product, so you can see the process and say, okay, this probably is the one I want to use on my jet ski. And I'm not sponsored by Raptor in any way or form. This is only my recommendations of the paint I use all the time, or most of the time, on my repairs.